beautiful people! I thrifted this super cool looking open terrarium and I've decided to put my Moon Valley plant in it. So this is going to hopefully work super well because the Moon Valley plant needs a lot of moisture but not as much humidity, so I'm hoping the air will get to it and reduce that humidity. The base itself actually doesn't have drainage holes in it either, and I'm using just a general use potting mix. So I'm hoping that'll be the perfect kind of jungle environment for him. I'm using a mixture of purple, blue, black and clear aquarium pebbles for the decoration. I've also got some cute little thrifted ceramic caterpillars and some really nice looking marbles. I'm just giving him a little bit of a drink before we pop the lid back on and we'll see how he goes. What do you guys think?